I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into WhatsApp web, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected, you won't be able to log in. Step 2. Update WhatsApp on your phone. Ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your smartphone. An outdated app can cause login issues. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Go to your browser settings and clear the cache. Sometimes, old data can interfere with the login process. Step 4. Use a different browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try logging in using a different web browser. Some browsers may have compatibility issues. Step 5. Rescan the QR code. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the 3 dots, and select Link Devices. Then, rescan the QR code displayed on the web. Make sure your phone's camera is clean for a better scan. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login error on WhatsApp web. Good luck and happy chatting.